Welcome RM Touch CCNA Practical Labs. In this lesson, we will learn how to make configuration OSPF or Open Shortest Path First. So, OSPF or Open Shortest Path First is a link state routing protocol used in Internet Protocol IP networks. It's designed to efficiently manage the routing of data packages within a large network. So, overall, OSPF is a widely used in both enterprise and service provider networks due to its efficiency and scalability. As you see in our topology, it consists of four areas. So that four areas is connected in these three routers. So in our objective is how all these areas talks to each other, how to share information and resources. So in this area is used in this IP address 192.168.30.0, and this area is used 10.0, and this area is used 20.0, and this last one used 40.0. So to start in our configuration first, we will make configure all the routers and hosts. So how to start in our configuration? Click this router. No. Enable config. Let me check the interface that I am going to make a configuration. It's a gigabyte 0/0 interface gigabyte 0/0 IP address 192.168.10.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Okay, come this another router. No. Control Shift 6. Enable config interface gigabyte 0/0 IP address 192.168.20.1 255.255.0.255.0. No shutdown. Okay, come this another interface gigabyte 01, and we will assign this IP address 30.30. Enable config interface gigabyte 01 IP address 192.168.30.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Come this another interface in this router. Interface gigabyte 0/0 IP address 192.168.40.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Okay, come this another serial ports. In this router serial port is serial 0/030, and we will give this IP address. In this interface it will be 10.10.10.1, but this another interface 0 to 020, it will be 10.2. So come this router, exit interface serial 0/30, IP address 10.10.10.1. It's a class. It's yeah. Okay. 255.255.255.252 because it's slash 30. No shutdown. Okay. Come this another interface 0 slash 2 slash 0. Exit interface serial 0 2 slash 0. IP address 10.10.10.2 255.255.255.0. Sorry, no IP address 10.10.10.2 255.255.255.0. IP address 10.10.10.2 255.255.255.252. Okay, and then no shutdown. Okay, come this another interface serial 021, and we will assign, or we will give this IP address. In this interface we will assign 30.30.30.1, but this another interface we will assign 30.2. So come this interface exit interface serial 021 IP address 30.30.30.1 255.255.255.252. No shutdown. Okay, come this another interface. Okay, 020. No. Exit. Let me check the interface. Interface serial 020. Let me check. Yes, 020. IP address 30.30.30.2 255.255.255.252. No. This last. Okay, sorry, this one is cut. Okay, come this another interface serial 021, and we will assign this IP address interface serial 021 IP address 20.20.20.1 255.255.255.252. No shutdown. Come this another interface serial 031 exit interface serial 031 IP address 20.20.20.2 255.255.255.2. Okay, dot 252. Then no shutdown. Okay, now I finish for the configuring IP address to the routers and hosts. So in our next step, we will configure OSPF in all the routers to advertise the directly connected networks. So, for example, in this router connected in 3 IP address. So we are going to advertise that 3 IP address. What is the 3 IP address? It is the IP address of this interface 192.168.10.0. 10.10.10 the interface this interface IP address 10.10.10.0, and this IP address 20.20.20.0. So how to make the advertisement? Click this router and then exit. Then you will write router OSPF 10. Then you will write network 192.168.10.0. It is wildcard mask is 0.0.0.255, and it is area 0. Okay, come this another network. This another network 10.10.10.0. It is wildcard mask is 0.0.0.3 because it's a slash 30 area 0. Come this another network 20.20.20. Okay, dot 0.0.0.0.3 area 0. Okay, and then save your configuration. Okay, come this another router, and we are going to advertise this IP address, this IP address, this IP address, and this IP address, and it is and we will advertise 4 IP address. Okay, exit router OSPF 10 network. We will start in this network 30 192.168.30.0. It is wildcard mask 0.0.0.0.255. It is area is 0. Come this another network 192.168.40.0. 192 sorry 192.168.40.0. It is wildcard mask 0.0.0.255. It is area 0. Come this another interface or IP address 10. Okay, 10.10.10.0 0.0.0.3 area 0. Come this another IP address. How to advertise 30 network 30.30.30.0 0.0.0.3 area 0. Okay, and save your configuration. Okay, come last router, how to advertise, and so we will advertise this IP address, this IP address, and this IP address 30.30.30.0, 20.20.20.0, and this IP address 192.168.20.0. Okay, exit router OSPF 10 network. Okay, 20.20.20.0. It is wildcard mask 0.0.0.3 area 0. Okay, network. Come this another IP address 30 network 30.30.30.0 0.0.0.3 area 0. Okay, come this IP last IP address network 192.168.20.0. 20.0. It is wildcard mask 0.0.0.255 area 0. Okay, and then save your configuration. Okay, so first we forget for the giving the IP addresses for the hosts. So first I will give the IP address this area, click the PC and click the IP 192.168.0.0.3 30.10. Okay, it is default gateway is 192.168.30.1. Okay, come this another BC. Okay, we will assign 30.20 because first was 30.10. It is default gateway 30.1. Okay, come this another area and we will assign this IP address of this interface. Click this PC 192.168.10.10 and it is default gateway 192.168.10.1. Copy this one. How to paste this another PC. Okay, in this one we will give 10.20 because first was 10.10 and it is default gateway is 10.1 in our last area, and then we will assign the IP address of this interface 192.168.40. Okay, 192.168.40.10. It is subnet mask is class C IP address and it is default gateway is 40.1. Come this another PC and we will assign 40.20. It is default gateway is 40.1. Now we finish. Okay, in our last step we will make for the trace route the path and ping the hosts if they can reach or not. So we will test in this area can talk in this area and this area can reach this another area. Oh, and how the on our network can be talk to each other. So to check this and we will ping this IP, the IP address of this area. Okay, click this PC and select CMD ping 192.168.40.10. As you see in here, in this department or in this area can talk this another area, and I will come in this one and I will ping in this area. It can reach or not. So click this PC and we will ping the IP address of this area 10 192.168.10.10. Click this PC and select CMD ping 192.168.10.10. As you see in here, in these two areas can talk to each other. So come this another area and I will ping 30.10 or 20. Come this PC and select select CMD ping 192.168.30.10. As you see in here, in this network can talk in this another net area. So now I will come in this area and I will test this area, this area, and this area. Okay, come this PC and select CMD ping 192.168.10.10. Okay, let me check. I am not assigning any IP address totally for this one. I forget. So click this one and we will assign 20.10. Okay. 192.168.20.10 and it is default gateway is 20.1. Come this another PC. Come this another PC 20.20 and it is default gateway is 20.1. So now I am going to test it if this network can reach on this one and this one and this one. So come this PC ping 192.168.30.10 as you see in here now can reach this area. So I'm going to test it can reach this area or not. And this IP address is ping 192.168.40.10. And also this one can talk to each other. And I will test it this area. Okay, ping 192.168.10.10. All of them they can talk to each other and they can share the information and the resources. So we will make a tracer. So come this PC and select CMD and then you will write tracer 192.168.20.10. As you see in here, this IP address is the IP address of this area, and this IP address it's the IP address of this serial, and this IP address it is the IP address the area that we are make the trisert. So it means in our network is working very well. And thank you very much, and we will see you in the next class.